Okay, this is a video for those of you who missed Mr. Kugler's class today. I'm going to go really fast, but if you need to pause the video, you can. Okay, we need you to save a Word document that you are going to, where you are going to type your ongoing, including your final draft of your Holocaust essay. So let's just open a Word document, and we're going to call it Holocaust Essay. Now, one thing that I need to make sure to do is to make sure that I save this on the cloud first. Now, I am kind of a bad example in the sense that I'm already signed into the cloud because it says sps81.org. You'll need to switch accounts, add account, and then sign in to the cloud before you can do this next step. So make sure that you click your name and you switch account and add account and sign in with your Office 365 credentials. Otherwise, you won't be able to do this next part. Okay, I'm going to File, Save As, and you'll see that when I save it as, it opens up a number of different things. I am looking for this one that says OneDrive Spokane Public Schools. That's where I want to save it, and I am going to open that, and I could maybe click Browse if I wanted to. It's taking a minute. Doesn't like me doing all of that clicking. And that's one thing that you'll notice when you are working on the cloud is that some of these steps that seem really simple take a little longer because it's interacting with the World Wide Web and not just interacting with your computer. So I'm still pausing and waiting for it to respond. Oh, I thought you were going to have to pause, but now I think you might have to fast forward. All right, so finally I get in here and I can click New Folder and make a new folder, but you can see that I've already made a Kugler folder. So once I've made the Kugler folder, then I am going to save my Holocaust essay in there, like that, and now it is in fact saved onto the cloud. It's not saved onto my computer, it's saved onto the actual cloud. Okay, so while that's thinking, then I'm going to go and open my Office 365 account. If you don't know how to do that, you can go to lctigers.com and there's a link on the right hand side that will show that to you, but eventually you'll sign in and you'll get to here. Now, when we were over on my Microsoft Word document, I don't know if you remember, but it was called OneDrive. That's what it called the drive where it shared that, which is right here. So if I click OneDrive, this is the place that I find all of my folders that I have saved on the web. And if you go over to this one, which is shared with me, and click it, you will notice somewhere in there that Mr. Kugler has shared a notebook with you, a class notebook. So I'm going to open my class notebook, which looks a little bit different than yours, but it'll look something like this, okay? And on the left-hand side, you'll see a bunch of tabs. One of them will be your name. Okay, unlike mine, which has all of these people's names, you're just going to have collaboration space, content library, and your name. You're going to click on your name, and that will bring up some folders and files, and you are going to probably, there's hopefully one that says writing, and that's where you are going to want to save this file. So let's just say I'm going to go under here. I don't know how this works. Anyway, you're going to click on writing. It's going to bring up a blank page that'll look something like this, okay, under writing again, and you're going to type Holocaust essay right there. Then you're going to go back to your document that you made, this one, and you're going to click on File, and you're going to click on Share. And when you go to share, it is going to give you the option, right, or somewhere around in here it'll give you the option of like create a link. And mine does something a little bit different. It brings it up over here, but the thing will say like get a sharing link, which I think is out of the screen. You can't see it, it's down here. But I'm going to get a link, and I want Mr. Kugler, oh, it's asking me to sign in again. I want Mr. Kugler to be able to edit my link, so I'm going to click on create an edit link. Again, yours won't look like this. When we go back to that page, it would have been wherever I was hovering, but it'll look something like this, and then you can right click on it or copy it or whatever. And then once I copy that that link, then I'm going to go back to this page under writing, under my name. I'm going to click right there, and I'm going to paste that link right there. Now, whenever I work on my Word document, my Holocaust essay, Mr. Kugler can click on this link, and it will show him the work that I've done. That's the video. I know it's fast and crazy and maybe even confusing. But hopefully some of you can get some assistance from your teachers or the people around you to figure out how to do that. So there you go. The last thing that I will say is that if you go to lctigers.com and you scroll down to where it says this is the waiting song. Scroll down to where it says library, and if I click on library, and once I get to the library, it'll say daily instructions. If I click on the daily instructions, then you will see a number of databases that pop up under the heading Kugler 2717. These are databases that Mr. Woodard compiled a list of sources that are from most to less useful as you go through, and so you're encouraged to use those. That's all.